Hey, cosmic comfort seekers, welcome back to the channel. Today we're slowing things down a notch and diving into the earthy, sensual world of Taurus. Forget the cosmic speedsters for a bit. We're talking about the sign that knows how to enjoy life's simple pleasures. Get ready for some bull-ivable insights. So, what's the deal with Taurus? Let's break down the astrological basics. First off, Taurus is an earth sign. Think grounded, practical, and connected to the physical world. They like things you can touch, taste, and experience with your senses. You won't catch a Taurus trying to meditate on a cloud. They prefer a comfy, sturdy couch. Next up, Taurus is a fixed sign. This means they're all about stability and holding on to things they value. Once they've made up their mind, good luck trying to change it. It's less stubborn, more unwavering conviction, which can sometimes look exactly like stubbornness. They're the anchors of the Zodiac. Trying to move them is like trying to move a very well-rooted oak tree. Then we have feminine energy. This doesn't mean they're girly. It's more about being receptive, nurturing, and appreciating beauty and comfort. They're not outwardly aggressive. They absorb and build. Think of a lush garden that grows steadily and beautifully without needing to shout about it. And the cosmic CEO in charge of Taurus? That would be Venus. Venus is the planet of love, beauty, pleasure, and all things luxurious. So naturally, Taurians have a strong appreciation for the good life. They're basically the cosmic connoisseurs, always sniffing out the best coffee, the softest blanket, or the most perfectly ripe avocado. All right, let's dig into what makes these cosmic bulls so unique. Here are some classic Taurus traits you might recognize. Ever tried to rush a Taurus? It's like trying to herd a particularly chill cow who just found a patch of clover. They take their sweet time, but they get the job done, and usually done exceptionally well. If you need a project completed meticulously without cutting corners, hand it to a Taurus. They'll probably still be working on it when everyone else has moved on to the next shiny object, but their version will be flawless. Taurians are all about the senses. A perfectly brewed coffee, the feel of a cashmere sweater, the scent of fresh rain, a gourmet meal. They savor it all. They don't just eat, they experience the food. They don't just listen to music, they feel it. Their happy place often involves maximum comfort and sensory delight. Once a Taurus considers you a friend, they are fiercely loyal. They'll be there through thick and thin like your personal rock. If you call them at 3 a.m. with a flat tire, they'll show up. After they finish their beauty sleep and coffee, of course. But they'll be there, and they'll bring snacks. Okay, we can't talk about Taurus without mentioning their famous stubborn streak. Once their heels are dug in, it's virtually impossible to budge them. Trying to convince a Taurus to change their mind is like trying to teach a cat to fetch. You might get a blank stare or a very slow blink. Best just let them get there on their own terms. Taurians love being comfortable. A perfectly cushioned sofa, the softest pajamas, a weekend with absolutely no plans, that's their jam. Their idea of a wild night might involve a gourmet pizza, a plush blanket, and binge-watching their favorite show. And honestly, who can blame them? Bliss. Forget fleeting trends. Taurians are intensely practical. They like things that last and serve a tangible purpose. They're the ones who will invest in a high-quality, durable appliance rather than a flimsy, trendy one. Why buy something twice when you can buy it once and have it last forever? It's just common sense, right? They're not usually the first to jump into something new or make impulsive decisions, but Taurians are incredibly reliable finishers. They prefer a well-thought-out plan over impulsive action. Think the tortoise, not the hare. They'll get there, and they'll probably build a sustainable empire on the way. As an earth sign, Taurus often feels a strong connection to nature. Gardening, hiking in the woods, just being outdoors. It recharges their batteries. Their ideal vacation probably involves a cabin in the mountains, not a bustling city. Mother Earth is their therapist. Because they value what they have and who they love, Taurians can sometimes be a bit possessive. This comes from a deep sense of attachment and security, but it's something they need to be mindful of. If you borrow their favorite mug, return it. If you don't, prepare for the subtle yet intensely felt side eye. When a Taurus is committed to something, they work hard and diligently. They're not afraid to put in the effort to achieve their goals, especially if it leads to security or comfort. They're the ones who will stay late to make sure it's done right, not just done. Dedication. While they appreciate a good time, Taurians generally find comfort and stability in routine. It provides a sense of security and predictability, which they adore. Changing a Taurus's usual Friday night plan last minute, prepare for some serious internal grumbling. Venus rules material possessions, so Taurians can sometimes place a high value on them. They enjoy nice things, well-made furniture, beautiful art, quality clothing. It's not necessarily about being superficial, but about appreciating tangible value and comfort. The goal is to find balance between enjoying possessions and letting them define you. So how do these Taurus traits play out in the workplace? Well, their practicality, patience, and strong work ethic make them valuable assets to any team. They're the ones you want handling the budget, not the brainstorming session for abstract ideas. You might find Taurians thriving in careers that involve stability, creativity, and the senses. Think fields like finance, where their grounded nature and attention to detail are a plus. They'll manage your money like it's their own prized possession, or culinary arts, where they can indulge their love for good food and create delicious experiences. They also do incredibly well in design, interior design, fashion, landscaping, real estate. They get homes, and anything that requires a steady, reliable hand and a beautiful outcome. They're not usually the biggest risk takers or the ones who thrive in constant chaos. You might not see them jumping into volatile tech startups or highly speculative ventures. They prefer a more secure and established environment where they can build something lasting, earn a comfortable living, and not have to worry about next month's rent. Security is their happy place, even at work. When it comes to relationships, Taurus brings that same incredible loyalty and appreciation for comfort. They're often looking for a stable, loving partnership where they can build a cozy life together. They enjoy the simple pleasures, cuddling on the couch, sharing a delicious home-cooked meal, or just enjoying quiet, quality time. They might take their time to commit. They need to be sure you're worth their precious time and comfort. But once they do, they're in it for the long haul. A Taurus partner is incredibly devoted and reliable. Just remember that stubborn streak can sometimes cause friction during arguments. But I'm right, and their possessiveness might need to be kept in check. No, honey, you can't borrow my favorite blanket. It has my butt groove. But overall, they offer a grounded, sensual, and devoted presence in any relationship. They're worth the wait. So that's a little peek into the world of Taurus. Remember, every sign has its strengths and challenges, and understanding them can help us understand ourselves and the people around us a little better. They teach us the value of patience, persistence, and truly savoring life. Are you a Taurus? Do these traits resonate with you? Or are you trying to understand a Taurus in your life? Let us know in the comments below. What's your favorite or most frustrating Taurus quality? We love hearing your stories. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed learning about the chill cosmic bull. Subscribe for more astrological insights and share this with any Taurus friends in your life, because everyone deserves to understand why their Taurus friend always picks the restaurant with the best dessert. Next time, we'll be exploring the curious and communicative world of Gemini. Get ready for a faster pace and maybe 2 different opinions on everything. Stay tuned.